you want to let me send it to WhatsApp?
I will read.
Don't worry, let me just send it before. Or you want to share your screen instead?
Olamide, is this your work?
Because I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, I'm just seeing it now. I think the network is disturbing.
Wow.
Okay, I've seen your work, Olamide. So I've seen what you guys have done. Really? Do you have any new thing to show me?
Yes.
Really, do you have a new design to show me?
Yes. I can't share because of I
Okay,
can't
Olamide,
share.
Olamide, you can stop sharing. Let us see your reassignment.
I know reassignment. I believe was a good job.
That is this.
Okay, just hold on a bit. Yeah, hold on a bit. I'm trying to get it. Okay. So you design a full football pitch. You are
Yes,
supposed
sir.
to design a flyer. Really, not a football. You are supposed to
Okay.
design a flyer, not a football. And you're okay. You did well. I've seen what you guys have done. So I guess today's class would be about using your color and your text very well. So that will take us to what we call UI design. Riri, you can stop sharing your screen.
Yes, sir.
So before we start today's class, I hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, I can't
Yes,
go
sir.
on.
What did you say? Riri, are you talking to me? What did you say?
And I wasn't able to not share anymore, but I already figured it out.
Have you seen how to stop sharing?
Yes.
Okay, good. So please, I want you guys to pay attention to today's class, and I don't want anybody to disturb, okay? Are you guys here?
Okay, sir.
But you said football pitch.
I was confused.
Now pay attention so you won't be confused again.
Riri Lolua,
Yes, sir.
I want you guys to pay attention to today's program, okay?
Okay,
sir.
I want you guys to follow very well, and I don't want anybody to disturb me. So
Okay,
today
sir.
we're going to be talking about typography and color, and we are going to be talking about that during UI. So typography and color, you can use it in Canva, you can use it in UI, you can use it in, so if you want to use UI design, you'll be using Figma. And you can also use it in Photoshop. So typography and color, it cuts across all of those things, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be sharing my screen now to show you guys what I have for you for today. So after showing you guys, after the end of the class for today, I want you to perfect your designs very well. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so I
sir.
want you guys to perfect your design,
Okay,
and I'll be teaching you also how to use your typography and your color.
Mommy, I'm the host. I'm the host. He went off. He went off.
Okay, first you went off. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, went off.
Don't worry.
I'm the host now because it said I'm the host.
Just leave it.
Who's
Olamide. I was back.
And die. Just come and beat somebody else.
Hello, guys. Who is disturbing you, Olamide? Please, I don't want anybody to disturb the class, please.
But I don't. The only thing that I said is disturbing me.
Me too. That's the one.
So please, nobody should disturb anyone during this class. Please, I want you guys to pay very good attention. So just hold on, let me share my screen, okay?
Yes, sir.
I hope you guys can hear me very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello? Kineso? Okay, let's drink water.
Today. Today. But did you just simple like he's not going to be
Pay us attention to it. So you do the right thing. After your class, you do the activity. You're supposed to
any
so first why did you say
I was confused.
or you mean you didn't pay attention?
I was paying attention but like the way like football was my like you said that I was gonna do like football tomorrow and I was confused about it.
So when you pay attention, you start taking and after your class you break the class. Is that okay?
But if it's template
And so what about that? You don't know.
and like template is where do I get flyer? It's like when I go to
If anyone asks questions, tell them they don't know how to do something, don't know how to take it or whatever.
I know how to use it but like when I go on it just put random so
Hello, can you guys see my screen?
no sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you haven't put on anything or you're showing your screen.
Can you see the screen that I'm showing you?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is seeing it and who is not seeing it?
Must you see this?
Rere, can you see my screen?
yes, sir.
Ibukun, can you see my Abdul Mushin, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Olamide, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Good.
You can see your
if-
screen.
that means you are seeing what I have here, which says ELG and other projects. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we'll be talking about Figma. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So today we'll be talking about Figma. This is what Figma looks like, right? So if you want to download Figma on your own laptop, what you do is you click on www.figma.com or you just search Figma on your browser. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
My photo is the color and who's I get it.
So if you search for Figma on your browser, you will see the Figma. I hope you understand.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Good. So when you search for Figma, you can use it on your browser or you can download the application. So it's a two-way thing. It's either you are using it on your browser or you are downloading it on your computer to use it as Figma application. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be showing you the basics of Figma. I hope you guys have your pen and your paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Really, what about you?
I have my pen on my paper.
All right, so this is what I want you to write down. Can I go on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, we want to talk about what is Figma.
It has clones.
I hope you guys can hear me. So if at any point you cannot hear me, please let me know. So today we want to talk about what is Figma. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So Figma is a design tool, it's a design software tool that is used, for designing a lot of things. Thank you. So Figma is also mostly used.
Say that too fast.
Let me take it again. Are we together?
Yes, sir. I've built for a Figma.
Olamide, are we together?
Yes, sir.
A promotion, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
All right.
sir.
All right. Please, I don't want us to take long in this class, please. So, Riri, what do you want to?
And I missed one part that you said. Well, I missed one part.
You said what?
I missed one part.
You made. I didn't get what you said, Riri, but let's just continue with the class, okay? Riri, what are you
Yes,
trying to
sir.
say? Can you type it in the chat box? I can't hear what you are saying.
Telling that you missed what you said Figma is.
I missed what you said. What Figma is.
Definition.
Riri, please just use the chat box. I still can't hear what you are trying to say. So, like I was saying, as a Figma is a design software application. Do you get that? Figma is a
Yes,
design
sir.
software application that is used for designing mobile application, used for designing websites.
Sir, you're going fast.
Okay, I will take it again. So I said Figma is a design software application that is used for designing mobile application and also used for designing your website. I hope you got that.
Yes, sir.
Good. So you can use Figma
Yes,
to design your mobile application. So what are your mobile application? Those applications, so you don't have to write this one down. I'm just trying to explain. So those applications are your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, all the applications that you are. What do you say?
He said Twitter.
Yes, that's a good example as well. So all of those applications are designed. So all of those applications are designed using Figma. Harry, please pay attention, please. Thank you. So like I'm saying, all of those applications are designed using Figma. Your website as well, if you want to check some website now, when they say www.so-so-so-and-so.com, that is a website link, right? So when you click on that link, it will take you to the website. So those websites are designed using Figma. Although there are other design tools that you can use, other design tools like, Webflow, WordPress, like that. You can also use Framer. So those ones are new design tools. But the major one that most people use is Figma, right? So that is what Figma is used for. Figma is basically used to design your application and your website. So in your own case, if maybe one of your mom now is selling goods and market, maybe they are selling online goods. For example, let us use you now. Maybe if Momsi is selling bags, selling clothes, selling jewelries like that. So if you want to Momsi business to an online business, you have to create a website for mom to upload her goods and services. Then you will add mom's contact, you add mom's phone number, you add mom's address, you add mom email so that they can be able to reach out to your mom in case they want to buy any bag or any clothes or any jewelry, right? So if you want to do that,
Okay, sir.
you can make use of Figma, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
believe you have written that down, okay?
Sir, I didn't read that down. I didn't
No,
write
no,
that down, but
no,
I'm
I'm talking
listening.
about the definition of Figma. You have written
Yes, sir.
down.
I have written it down.
Riri, what about you?
It down too.
Yeah, good. That's good. Olamide, what about you?
I have written down too.
All right, Olamide, please, I'm not seeing your face, but I want you to follow the class, okay? I don't want anyone to disturb you. So I don't want you guys to be playing, right? When you are in the class, try to be serious. Do you understand? Because the class is not free, you know, and you need to, you know, get the quality of what you have paid for. So I want you guys to pay attention. So just like I did with Canva, I will be showing you the interface of Figma. All right. So I did the same thing with you on Canva. Then I'll be doing the same thing with the interface of Figma. So I want to write that down. We are going to be talking about the interface of Figma. Olamide have left the call again. I don't know what is happening.
His network.
Abdul Mushin, I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. So, I hope you can see that I am on Figma right now.
You can't see the name.
Yes, yes. The name is not there, but you can see that it is this is how Figma looks like when you open it on your computer, because you cannot open it on your phone. You can only check some few things on your phone. You can open Figma on your phone.
I wrote it
Yeah,
down.
Sir,
I'm with you. What do you want to
now,
ask?
like next to new, it says like FGGAM.
What do you
But
say?
I see like a fig and a jam. Like a new fig jam board. Like one Figma board.
Can you please try to use the chat box? I can't really hear what you are saying, Riri. Please use the chat box. I can't hear what you are saying. All right, so I'll just continue like that. Can we go on, Riri, and
No, sir. So there's like a it
this is
says
happening
like
with your net?
new
I don't know
fig
why you are
jam
dropping.
board.
You want to use that board?
Like it says like a new fig jam board in the second square.
Okay, I've heard what you're saying. So don't worry, let me just show you first before you start saying what you think is there. So don't worry, I will show you everything. Like I said, I don't want you guys to interrupt the class, okay? I just want you to pay attention, listen very well, and if I'm going too fast, let me know. Olamide, are you with us? Please, I need you to signify that you are with us.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right, good. So this is Figma interface. So what we have here now is this button where my mouse is. This is the home for Figma. Then this side is the control panel. So this control panel is where you have your, Figma design project and all other things that you need to know about Figma. Your project, your draft, in case you delete anything. Then on this main board, this is where all your project comes in, right? All of these places that are moving.
So
Yeah, what do you say?
okay.
Are you saying something? Is anyone saying something? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Olamide, can you hear me? Abdul Mushin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. So, like I said, this is the whole interface of Figma, right? Where we have, if you want to create a new design, you can see this place that I am in. It says new design file. I hope you can see it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is in case you want to create a new design. Then this place is if you want to create a FigJam. So FigJam, you don't really need that one. FigJam is used for companies to collaborate ideas. Then this place is if you want to use a slide deck, maybe you want to make any presentation with Figma, you can use a slide deck. Then this place is if you want to import files from your normal computer, from your local computer, if you want to import any file, you can use this place here. Do you understand?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you guys are following. Good. So that is basically everything about Figma. You can ignore all these things that are here. All these ones are my personal project that I have worked on. But for the sake of this class, we will be creating a new design file, a new design board, and I'll be showing you the basics. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to create a new design file, what will you do?
You go to
According to what I have. Yeah, I can hear you. What are you saying?
So I go to the new design file.
Okay, yes, you can download the Figma in the design box. You can download it in your computer or you can use it on the website. Olamide have left this call again.
It
Maybe
is
network.
network.
So we click on new design file here, and once you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to create a Figma file or a FigJam file? So you can see that Figma is asking, are we creating a new design file or are we creating a new FigJam board or are we creating a new slide? So in our own case, we want to create only a new design file.
So what did you do?
What did you say?
So what did you do?
I click on that new
So what
design
did
file.
you do?
I click on this button here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if you click on this button here, it will take you to a new Figma file directly. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riri, I hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now I'll be showing you the basic things of Figma. So let's just wait for Figma to load so that we can see the basic things about Figma. Mind you, today's class is about typography and color. So once we open this file, I'll be showing you how to use your color and how to use your typography, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Olamide, why have you been going and coming? What is happening?
Like, yeah, this is my panel.
Okay, let's just wait for Figma to load. You can see that Figma is trying to load. But as it is loading, let me tell you this. So I want you to write this down. Are you guys with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 What did you do? I hope you guys are with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I want to write this down. We are talking about typography and color today. So when we say typography, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we say typography, typography means the use of text in your design. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So typography means the use of text in your design. Have you written that down?
No, sir, you
Yes,
was
sir.
fast.
Okay, let me take it one more time and slowly this time around. So I said typography means
So how did you spell that?
TYPOGRAPHY.
B-O-R-U-P-H-Y.
Typography.
T-E-O.
Did I come again?
No, sir.
Have you written that down?
Yes, sir.
Really, how about you?
Yes, sir.
Olamide, have you written it down?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I said typography is the use of text. It's the use of words in
Sir,
your
can I
design.
go to the toilet?
You want to go to the toilet?
Yes, sir.
All right, please don't take long so that you can join the class back soon. So Olamide and Abdulmushin, I hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's just
Yes,
go on.
sir.
Let's just go on. Then when it comes up, we'll do a quick revision. So I said typography is the use of text in your design. While color is used to beautify your. Did you get that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abdulmushin, Olamide, are we still together?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are still waiting for Rireloluwa. So while we are doing that, have you written down what I said?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I said
No,
typography.
sir.
I said typography is the use of text in your design, while color is used to beautify your design. Did you get me now?
Yes, sir.
Abdulmushin, have you written that down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you are designing anything, right? Don't worry about this one. You don't need to write this one down. So when you need to write, I will let you know. So when you are designing anything, you need to be careful the way you choose your color, right? And you need to make sure that the way you are placing your text, your words, people can actually see what you are writing. Hello, is anyone saying anything? Are you guys saying anything?
No, sir.
Olamide, what's up? I can hear some noise from your side. Are you saying anything? Olamide, are you sure you are in this class? I don't like the way you are mute. Olamide, turn on your call camera.
Sir.
Turn on your call camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I said
sir.
you turn on the video camera of your call, please. I need to be seeing you. I don't like the way you are just muting and you are not saying anything. I need to be sure you guys are following this class. I don't want anybody to be disturbing you. Good. So leave it on like that. That's how it's going to be from anytime we are having a class now. Abdul Mushin, what happened to your camera? Turn it on, please. Abdul Mushin, are you still on this call?
Yes, sir.
Turn on the camera of your phone, of your laptop.
I've turned it on.
I'm not seeing your face.
This is my face.
Yes, I'm not seeing your face. I need to be seeing you guys.
This is my face.
Good. So, my screen. Please confirm you are still seeing my screen. Are you guys still seeing my screen, or do I need to share again?
Share again.
Okay, I don't know why Figma is really slow. It's still loading. I really don't know why it is like that. I don't know, maybe it's because of the network.
The network.
I think so. I think so. Because it has to open for me to be able to show you guys what I want to show you. Let me try to close some files. Hopefully it comes up now. Let's just wait a little bit. So as I was saying, hope you guys can hear me. Yuri, are you back?
Oh, it's not back.
Right. So let's just continue. I'll do a quick revision when he gets back. So as I was saying, you need to make sure that
Yeah. So I'm here.
Is that Olamide?
Yes, sir.
Good. Abdul Mushin, hope you are with us as well.
Yes, sir.
So like I was saying, you need to make sure that anytime you are designing anything, you need to make sure that the color you are using is, is good with the color of the design you want to make, right? So if you are designing a blue,
Come back.
Lulua, welcome back. So I was just telling them about typography and color while we are waiting for Figma to load, because Figma is still hard to load. I think the network is.
So,
Bad.
I was just waiting here. I went to the toilet and just came back and wait.
Yes, I know you went to the toilet. So this is where we are. We have not gone far. So just listen and follow up with the class, okay?
Wait. I went to the toilet and then I came back and waited.
Avad, you said you went to the toilet, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you back now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'm saying we are still where we are when you left. So we have not really gone far. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I was saying, anytime you want to design, you have to make sure that the color you are choosing is corresponding with the design you want to make. So what am I trying to explain? If you are trying to design, maybe let me see. If you are trying to design, yeah, what's up?
Like, I think your network is not working. That's why Figma is not loading.
Don't worry about the Figma that is loading. I hope you can hear me very well.
Yes, sir.
Good. So just follow what I'm saying.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry about what is loading. I'm taking care of it
Yes,
from my.
sir.
So I just want I want you guys to pay attention, please. Nobody should distract me again. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Well, as long as you can hear my voice, nobody should distract me again, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. So, like I was saying, you need to make sure that if you are designing for a storybook, you want to make sure that you are using a color that looks playful in order to engage who you are designing for, in order to engage your target audience, right? If you are designing a storybook, you are designing for children, you are not designing for adults. So you want to engage, you want to use a color that is playful. And colors that are playful are colors like pink, colors like blue, colors like orange. So those are the colors that capture children's attention very well. So now if you are designing something that is really serious, maybe you are designing for like I mentioned earlier, maybe you are designing for mommy's website for business. So if mommy doesn't have a particular color in mind, I hope you guys can still hear me.
No. Yes, sir.
Abdul Mushin and Olamide, I need you guys to respond when I'm asking a question.
Yes, sir.
Why is everyone not showing their video camera? I told you guys to show your camera. Where is Olamide? He left again. Rere Loluwa, I need to see your face. Switch on the camera of your laptop. So like I'm saying, when you are designing, if you are designing for mommy's website, in case mommy doesn't have a color in mind, you can use black and white because that is a business website, not a play website, not a toy website, not a website that you want to use for kids. It's a website that you want to use for business, okay? So you have to make sure that you are using a color that is going in line with what you want to design, right? And then when you are using your typography, you have to make sure that your typography is clear. You have to make sure that people can read what you are writing, okay? People can read the text. If you are looking at my own screen now, what you are seeing here, you are seeing a logo and you are seeing TCK zone, right? So I'm very sure that you can see what is written there. Okay, sorry about that. My network is a bit bad. So Olamide, switch on your camera as well. So like I was saying, anytime you are designing, make sure you are paying attention. I don't know why you are playing with water. So like I was saying, you want to make sure that you are using a text that is clearly written, right? The assignment you submitted, if you look at what you designed, you use a white text on a gray background, on a gray shape, and the text is hard to read. Same thing like you, Olamide, when you were designing, you are putting your element. Wait, why are you sharing your screen? Riri, why are you sharing your screen? I didn't ask you to share your screen.
You are playing with your system.
Please, you guys, don't let me get angry with you. Please, I need you guys to pay attention. Please, I am being very friendly, so you guys should pay attention, please. I don't like the way you are wasting the time of the class. Riri Loluwa, Abdul Mushin, Olamide, I'm talking to every one of you. I don't like how you are wasting time in the class. Please, I want you guys to pay attention. Riri, I didn't ask you to share your screen. I don't know why you are sharing your screen. So you guys should please pay attention. I'm begging you for the last time. Please, don't let me get angry with you. Your parents paid money for this class, and we need to make sure that you are getting a quality of what you paid for. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So I was saying, if you are writing a text, you have to make sure that the text you are writing is clearly written, right? You have to make sure that people can read your text. If people cannot read your text, that means your design is not making any sense, right? That means your design, if I cannot read the text you are writing on your design, that means your design is not making any sense to me. So for the last time, let me try to open Figma. I don't know what is happening to Figma. I think the network is really bad this morning. So let me just try to open Figma once again. And then let me show you guys what I'm trying to.
So I can't see your screen.
Don't worry, I will share my screen now.
Okay.
Okay, just hold on a bit. I'm trying to load Figma. It's still loading from my end. I'm really sorry about this morning class. I don't know, the network is really bad. I've tried other network, it's still the same thing. So I'm so sorry for this morning class, guys.
Let me show your video camera.
Okay, Figma is still loading. Okay, you know what I will do? Maybe I will just use Canva to explain what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Since Figma is still finding it hard to load. Let me try to open Canva. Hopefully that one opens.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that Figma is still loading. I think it's because of the network. You can all see that Figma is still loading.
No, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes,
I hope you
sir.
guys.
You guys still loading.
Okay, so I'll just try to. Okay. I'll just try to share from Canva what I'm trying to explain. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just wait for Canva to load as well. So I will use Canva to explain what I'm trying to tell you. So, but as we are waiting, I would also like to say this. You know, I mentioned to you guys, I hope you guys can hear me very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lulua, you are muted. Hope you can hear me. I don't want anyone muting. Nobody should mute himself. Lulua, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, like I told you guys, anytime you've learned anything from here, I said you should unmute yourself. Lulua, do not mute. And I expect you guys to be showing yourself on the camera. I don't know why you still switch off your camera. So like I said, anytime you learn anything, please make sure you are practicing, okay? Don't just learn and leave what you have learned, okay? Because if you do not practice, there is no way you will get better at doing this stuff. And if you do not get better, there is no way you will start making money with it. It doesn't matter if you are still young. It doesn't matter if you are still small. But I am promising you this, that if you are practicing all of these things that you are learning here, before you know it, you would be perfect with it. And before you know it, you can start designing for people and you can start earning money. You know, all of those banners that you used to see across your street, maybe when mommy sent you on an errand. You know those banners that we say, Mama Jumoke POS Center. The one that says,
Yes, sir.
the Redeemed Church of God. The one that says, Christ the Gospel Church. All of those banners, all of those flyers is something that you can also design. As a matter of fact, people will even pay you more because you are still young and you are designing something that is very good. So all I'm saying in essence is the more you practice, the more you know how to use your tools. But if you don't practice,
But
yes,
I think you're trying to say, like, more you practice, more you get paid by.
I'm not saying the more you practice, the more you get paid. The more you practice, the more you know how to use your tool. And the more you get better. That is what I said. Rere Loluwa.
Like
So it is only when you practice you get better. It's the same thing as when you are going to school now and you are being taught mathematics and English. They teach you mathematics and English in school. And when you get home, you do not practice your mathematics and English. When it is time for exam, you might not know what to write. So for you to be able to remember and to know what to write, you have to practice your maths and English. So the same goes for what you are doing here. All right.
yes, sir.
So the same goes for what we are doing here. So please, guys, I'm begging you guys, don't look at the fact that you are still young. I mean, young children, teenagers are doing big things all over the world. I'm very sure if you guys used to check the internet very well, you will see that some little kids are also doing big things. If you look at Chinese kids, you see how they are building awesome stuff, right? So you guys can do that as well. They have one head like you guys. They have the same brain functionalities like you guys. So if they can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it as well. So anytime you are learning, make sure you are practicing. And if you are practicing, make sure you are following the basics that has been laid down. Don't jump. Don't jump. Okay? So when I mean jump, if you are supposed to be... What do you say?
Sir, you gotta go to the restroom.
Is that Olamide?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Okay, Olamide, you can go to the restroom, but don't take long. Okay, do you know what will happen, guys? This class is really taking, I don't know, the network is really bad. Can we meet again today by 3? Is it
By 3
possible?
o'clock.
By 3 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Is it possible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Luluwa, is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Olamide is not back
Wait,
yet.
sir. And my dad might be using the laptop.
Your daddy might be using the laptop.
Yes.
Okay, so what time do you think your daddy will not be using the laptop? Is mommy with you there?
No, she's upstairs.
What do you say?
She's upstairs.
She's upstairs. So
Yes,
what time
sir.
do you think daddy will not be using the laptop?
I'm not sure. I think he is, but I'm not sure.
You don't know the time that daddy will not be using the laptop.
Oh, I'm not sure if like he's not using the laptop or not.
Okay, can you ask daddy that if you can allow you to please use the laptop by 3 o'clock? It's just 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please ask daddy and ask mommy. So let them drop a message in the group, right? Tell them that we have postponed the remaining class to 3 o'clock.
Mommy.
Do you understand?
No, but daddy the class is 3 o'clock.
What do you say?
What? Mommy, you have to start the class in 3 o'clock in 1 hour. For 1 hour.
I can't hear what you are saying.
Talk to your teacher. What's that?
I'm trying to tell my mom that that you have
Okay, is mommy
to.
there with you?
Yes.
I'm here. Good
All
morning.
right,
sir.
ma. Please, ma, the network is really disturbing this morning. I really don't know why. So I was
Okay.
trying to see how we can postpone the class to 3 o'clock. So we'll just have a
Okay.
1 hour class by 3 o'clock.
Okay,
Just a
that's
1 hour
fine.
class. So that
That's
you won't be
okay.
able to disturb if any other person wants to use the laptop.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm
All
not
right,
sure
thank
if
you.
that's for you.
Thank you
you're
very
not
much,
going
ma.
to.
So please try to help him charge the laptop.
All right. Thank
Abdul Mushin, please make sure you charge your laptop as well.
Okay, so
Okay,
are we
sir.
going offline now?
Yes, you can go off now. So by 3
Okay.
o'clock, we'll get back together.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
All right, bye.
Goodbye.
I'll see you back in 3 o'clock. Make sure you are back in class by 3. And don't come late, please.
Okay, sir.
Sir, sir,
Make sure you don't come late to class.
Okay, sir.
sir, what happened? Sir,
Olamide,
what happened?
Olamide,
Sir,
are
sir.
you back?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the
Sir, sir, what happened? Sir,
hello, Olamide.
yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry about that. So I want you to charge your laptop. We'll be meeting again by 3 o'clock. Can you do that? Is that possible?
Yes, sir.
Is
Okay,
that
sir.
possible? Is that possible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please just try to charge your laptop. It's just a 1 hour